everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make a crepe. So to get it started, we get the pan heated. You want to turn it to medium and let it heat for about 2 minutes. All right everyone, we've let this pan heat up and I think we're good to go. So I'm just brushing this pan with melted butter. Simple. Next you're going to take a 1/4 cup of batter and then you're just going to twirl your pan and just make a big pancake. Very thin one though. And it's okay if it's not perfect. That's the beauty of crepes. And look, as you can see, I have a little hole. You can just take a little batter, fill it in, and you never even know. So next you just kind of keep an eye, check around the pan, check your crepe. You're looking for some brown lacy edges. That takes about a minute. So once you're ready, you just work your spatula under them. Take it, flip it, cook it for an additional 20 to 30 seconds. Then once again, you just kind of lift and peek. See if you're getting some brown spots. Take it over to your wire rack, let it cool down. Voila. Now that we've got a couple crepes made, I'm gonna show you a little tip. Put a piece of parchment paper between your crepes. You don't have to worry about them sticking, and they take a lot less room. And now that you have a nice little stack, and you might just not eat them all in a day. So go ahead, put them on a plate or in a resealable bag and pop them into your refrigerator. But only keep them for about a day or two extra. You don't wanna keep them too long. And now that I've shown you how easy it is to make a crepe, we hope that you give it a try and enjoy it as much as we do. So head on over to our website at cuisineathome.com and check out some other tasty treats we have. Thanks.